How to transfer money from Coinbase to Coin Wallet. First, open Coinbase and click Transfer at the bottom. From here, select Send Crypto and choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to your wallet. In this case, I'm selecting Solana. To get your Coinbase wallet address, open the Coinbase wallet app, tap the search icon at the top, and search for the cryptocurrency you selected on Coinbase. Solana, in my case. Make sure you select the correct one, as there are wrapped versions of Solana. After selecting Solana, click on Receive and copy the address. Then, go back to Coinbase, paste the address, and select the amount you want to send. I'll click Max. You can choose to send it to yourself or a different address. Enter a purpose for the transfer and click Continue. After reviewing the information, click Send and verify the transaction by entering the 6-digit code from your authenticator app. Once confirmed, the transfer will be completed and you'll see the funds appear in your Coinbase wallet in just a few seconds. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.